Hello pool players, Ron here. Welcome once again to the Pool Student Channel, and thank you very much for watching, everyone. I'm going to critique this video. Got two runouts, back-to-back runouts, no ball in hand, and I really want to primarily talk about what's allowing me to do this. It's all of a sudden I've turned this corner, and I'm hoping that I can help you guys do the same thing. This loose grip in this loose wrist is so important. So let's go ahead and watch this video. I'm going to go ahead and start it up here. Now, also to let you know, I'm trying to do my draw break. Now this first break, watch where the cue ball goes. It's not intended. See how close it came to the side pocket? I'm actually trying to get above the side pocket, you know, more towards where I'm shooting from, so that I can come two cushions and have a nice look at an opening shot. But I got away with it here, so I've got this 2-ball. I've got to go down table and I've got to avoid the 9, so I put just the right amount of right spin on it. That comes from lots of hours of drill work, you guys, and just knowing how much tip to add to the cue ball to get it to do something like that. Here I'm going to add a little bit of right as well. Just come off the cushion, come back towards my next shot. And you know, this is a nice one because I've got just the right angle where I can just play natural and I'll have a nice shot. I just got to make sure I don't get behind this 9-ball for the 5 next. I overcut it just a smidgen, and that brought me a little closer to that 9 than I wanted, but I'm okay. Now I'm going to draw it. That loose grip, and it looks like my grip was pretty tight there. Was not. Not at all. It looks that way, but it is not. And I got a good draw action from distance. And here I'm playing a little top right. I actually hit that one a little too full because I wanted that cue ball to come back across the table, have more of a straight in on the 8. And this was a mistake that I got away with right here. I was trying to come above the 9 and I hit a little too much inside spin. I was not predicting that, so I got away with it and was able to tap it in. Now the next break that you're going to see, I want you to pay attention to this one. This was textbook. What I'm actually trying to do is I'm trying to bring the cue ball, a draw break, back up table to the second diamond. I have found that the 8-foot table works best for this, by the way. So if you're shooting on a 7, you know, you can get it done. And also I'm using a template rack, and that makes a big difference. See that? See how I'm sized up right there at the 1? Now, typically the 1 doesn't go in. It just kind of lingers by that side pocket. Now in this case, I'm pretty straight for down corners, so that's what I'm going to do. It gives me natural position on the 2. I knew it was going to be close to scratching, but I played top spin there, and I just got past the point, just slightly. It affected the rebound off the cushion, you could see that. But now it's a simple layout. It's really open. It's like I was licking my chops when I saw this. Here again, I'm going to play a little bit of top left, just a little bit, just to bring it back towards the opening there. I want to make sure I was a little bit too far off the wrong side of the line, but I'm playing inside spinner here, just got to avoid the 7, and even if it brushed the 7, it would have been okay. I got just the perfect angle here on this 5-ball to come back for the 7 and have a nice stop shot for this 9. If you guys have any questions or comments on loose grip, give them, you know, ask me, because I'm going to have some good answers for you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.